Hey, and thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to talk through the new feature that allows you to add mezzanine or secondary debt to your apartment development analysis. Now, you'll see that I'm working from version 2.5 of the model. This feature was actually included in version 2.4. And then in 2.5, I made just a slight tweak to the label that allows you to adjust actually the funding order at which mezz versus the construction loan would draw down. So to integrate mezzanine financing, we go over here to the underwriting tab. We're going to go to the investment section and scroll under the sources. Now, what you'll recall from the earlier versions of this model is there was an equity source and a construction debt source, and that was it. And so what I've built here is really two tranches within the construction debt. So equity still funds first, and then your construction debt funds second. And that construction debt now has two slices, two tranches. The first is, by default, a construction loan. And this construction loan is some loan to cost. And so if this percentage here is equal to the total loan to cost for the construction debt, then all of your construction debt will fall within the construction loan tranche, and there won't be any mezzanine loan. But let's say that we do, 70% construction debt, but then our construction loan is only 60%. What you'll see now is that the mezzanine loan covers the difference, or that additional 10% of loan to cost, in this case 5.3 million, where the sum of our construction loan and mezzanine is still 37.549 million, but the interest rate for the mezz loan is higher. And in fact, how the model works is it treats the construction loan and the mezz loan from a structure standpoint largely the same. So they fund after equity. Any accrued interest accrues to an interest reserve account, and then the loan is repaid at either the sale, or if you're using the permanent debt module, the loan would be repaid based on at the refinance when a permanent loan comes in and takes out both the mezz and the construction loan. But again, the interest rate would be a blend of the two. Now, the other item is how these loans fund, right? So you see off here to the right, funding, construction loan versus mezzanine loan. And you'll see in this case, the construction loan funds first. And then when the entirety of the construction loan is fully funded, the mezzanine loan funds. And what you'll find is that many times the mezz loan will actually fund first. And so in order to accommodate that in this structure, it's actually quite simple. You simply change the labels here, and that's why I set them to blue, to, let's say this is a mezzanine loan, and then this now becomes our construction loan. And we adjust the loan to cost so that the mezzanine is 10%, the construction loan is 60%, and then the rate 8 and 5. And by doing that, as we come out to the right, you'll see now that the mezzanine loan, this upper line, funds first. And then once the mezzanine loan has been exhausted, then the construction loan comes in and funds until the end of the development period. So that is using the new mezzanine loan feature in our apartment development model. Let me know if you have any questions about adding secondary debt into your apartment development deals. Otherwise, thanks for your time.